Hello, and welcome to Advanced Women's Health. I'm Dr. Erin Coy, chiropractor at our Port Credit location. You probably landed here because you're curious about chiropractic and you're not sure if it's right for you. And so I'd love to share a bit about what chiropractic looks like here at AWH. So at its core, chiropractic is a hands-on primary healthcare profession focusing on the muscles, the joints, and the nervous system of the body. And here, our care goes beyond just getting rid of your pain. We look at how your body's moving and functioning, and then work with you on a care plan that helps to restore mobility, build strength, and create confidence in the way that you're moving. And so that means that care is about more than just feeling better in the moment, but it's about getting you back to the activities that you love and building a long-term, strong, and resilient body. And so for some people, that looks like reducing stiffness through their workday or exercising more comfortably. Or for others, it might mean managing the physical demands of pregnancy and postpartum recovery. Whatever that looks like for you, we have a wide variety of tools and techniques that we can use to meet those goals. So we'll use things like joint adjustments and mobilizations, soft tissue therapy, as well as exercise and lifestyle strategies. And all of these work really well together to restore mobility, to reduce things like pain and tension, and to give you tools that you can use to support your body when you're outside of the clinic as well. Now here at AWH, our care is very collaborative, so we're really going to take the time to hear your story and to understand your goals, and then work with you to create a plan that feels realistic and sustainable for you and your lifestyle. And because Advanced Women's Health has an integrative healthcare model, you really benefit from the team-based approach that we have here. So chiropractors working alongside naturopathic doctors, acupuncturists, and other healthcare practitioners to really give you a whole body, whole health approach to your care. So whether you're navigating pregnancy or postpartum recovery, or maybe you're dealing with things like neck pain or back pain or headaches, or maybe you just want to feel better and move better in your day-to-day life, chiropractic care can support all of those things and more. We offer 15-minute complimentary meet and greets if you have more questions and are trying to decide if chiropractic is right for you, but I can assure you it probably is. Now, if this sounds like the kind of care that you've been looking for and you're excited about, then we would love to meet you and would love to be part of your healthcare team here at Advanced Women's Health.